Hey, what's happening, people? Indy Mann here from Mann's Properties. Those who don't know me, I've been a property developer and property investor for the last 10 years now. I'm here at Wolverhampton site and just update you on my daily vlog. Let me turn the camera. We've filled the skip with more stuff. We've chopped the neighbour's tree. Obviously we asked them first. It was to our side anyway. So inside the property, most of the work is going on inside today. As you can see, it's raining. Not nice. All the skirting, the door frames have been fitted. Arc drives has been fitted as well. Looks quite nice now. So that's good progress. Okay, all the skirting has been done as well. So all the woodwork mainly is happening today. So new doors just need the handles and locks to go on in a bit. And show you this room as well. All the skirting has been finished in this room as well. So take you upstairs. Upstairs we got all the skirting done. So that's where we're at upstairs. So today, as I showed you yesterday, the kitchen has been delivered and we're going to start on the kitchen now. After the bath has been done, you can probably see my builder there on the floor trying to fit the connections for the water. Once he's done that, we're going to start fitting the kitchen in this area now. There's a gas pipe, the electric, so the island is going to be here in this area, and there's light there as well on the island. Outside we've started digging this concrete step. We're digging it up because we're going to make it level and make a veranda at the back and tile it, and that's where we're at right now. And that's what we're doing. So I've got my hood on again. I'm at the same place as yesterday and it's raining outside. We get inside. So yeah, that's where we're at with this project. My hand's dirty because I picked something up. It was all dirt on it. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I will update you tomorrow now with the next vlog. And in the meantime, keep working hard and remember, only you can make yourself successful. No one else is going to do it for you. So work hard and you'll get to your dreams, definitely. So take care, have a blessed day. Yeah, I've just visited the Wolverhampton property, and now I've had a phone call that one driver has called in sick, so to do the afternoon shift. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drive all the way to Smethwick, trying to arrange a replacement driver for that bus which is parked up right now waiting for a driver. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I've left my builders just now, and nobody's working at the West Bromwich project today. I'm meeting my architect there on Thursday, and I'm meeting a local guy from the local authorities as well on Thursday. So fingers crossed everything will be alright. But right now I'm heading back to Wolverhampton. I'm heading back from Wolverhampton to Smethwick to sort the transport side out. So sometimes it seems really easy that driving around, big cars, this, that, and the other. But life's not easy. Being an entrepreneur, being a businessman, life's hard. Sometimes you have to make decisions on the spot, so you gotta have a clear head all the time. There are situations like this now, so I have to go there. I have to sort out no matter what. The driver's called in sick. That's it. His responsibility is finished, but it's still my responsibility to make sure that the vehicle goes out on the road and does what it's supposed to do. So it can be very hard sometimes. So I don't mind working hard. I think that's in my blood. I've always worked hard. I've seen my parents work hard, and we struggled when I was a child. We used to live in a rental property, and today I've got nearly 10 properties of my own. Times change, but they only change with hard work. So keep working hard, like I said earlier in the video, and God bless you all. I'll see you soon in another